How to divide improper fractions. So look, this is an improper fraction, this is an improper fraction. So we have to divide this improper fraction by this improper fraction. So keep change and flip method. Keep change division signs to multiplication sign, then flip, just change the position of numerator and denominator. So now you have to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So you are getting here 6/10. At last you have to reduce this fraction, right? That is, you have to cancel the common factors of this both number. So you can write 6 as like this. These 2 cancel each other, so you are getting 3/5. So this is the answer. How to do that? This is a improper fraction and you have to divide this improper fraction by this whole number. So how to do this? At first step, you have to express this whole number as a fraction, considering 1 as a denominator. Now you have to apply keep change and flip method. Keep change and flip method. So keep change division sign to multiplication sign, then flip 1/5. So here we are getting 3/10, and there is no common factor between these two numbers. So this is the answer. Look at this example. This is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator, but this is a mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction because it has a whole number part and fractional part. So how to divide this improper fraction by this mixed number? Just convert this mixed number to improper fraction first. So whole number times denominator plus numerator divided by 2. So 3/2 division 2 plus 1 divided by 2. 3/2 division sign 3/2. So keep change and flip method. So keep change and flip 2/3. So cancel, now cancel 2, 2, 3, 3. That is, we are getting here, look, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. That is 1/1, that is 1. Answer is 1. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.